Okay, so welcome back, and now let's do an example where we're going to find the volume of a frustum of a pyramid. Now in this case here, the frustum has a pyramid with a square base that's 4 inches on a side and a square top with 2 inches on a side and a height of 3 inches. So again, what are we going to do? We're going to use the formula, and the formula for the volume is going to be what? It's going to be 1/3 times the height times the area of base 1 plus the area of base 2 plus the square root of the product of the areas. Okay? So now all we have to do is plug in the values and use our calculator. So 1/3, the height is 3 inches. Now, the area of base 1, let's just call that the base, the bottom base, has a square base, 4 inches on a side, so the area is going to be s squared, right? So that's going to be what? S squared is going to be 4 squared, and then the area of the top base, which is 2 inches on a side, is going to be an area of 2 squared plus now the square root, and we're going to take the product of those two areas. Okay, so it's going to be the square root of 4 squared times 2 squared. Okay, so now let's see if we can simplify this thing. Well, 1/3 times 3 is 1, so those go away and make 1. 4 squared is 16. Two squared is 4. And we get, well, in this case here, we could just write this as 4 times 2 quantity squared, right? Because I can collect the squares and just make it as a product of 2 and 4 quantity squared. Same thing. Well, then this square cancels with the square root and we get 8, right? Because this gives me 64 and square root of 64 is 8. So either way you get the same thing. So you get 16 plus 4 plus 8, which gives you what? 28. 28 what? It's inches, so this is going to be 28 cubic inches, and that's the volume of this frustum. Okay, that's it. Have a great day.